Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and today I will show you how to convert a OFX file to QFX format and import into Quicken. We will use OFX to QFX utility, and you can download it at propersoft.net. Once downloaded and installed, start OFX to QFX and select an OFX file. Review transactions before converting. And before converting to QFX file, make sure to set account ID and account type. If you're converting from multiple accounts, make sure to use different account ID. The currency must be US dollars for Quicken US edition. For Quicken Canadian edition, it could be US dollars or Canadian dollars. INTU.BID value must be for allowed bank. Click the lookup button to locate your bank INTU.BID value. If your bank is not listed, keep the default value at 3000, which is Wells Fargo Bank. If your bank is listed but the account type is not listed, then still keep default value. You can use your bank INTU.BID only if the account type is listed and the bank itself is listed. To create a QFX file, click the Convert button. Confirm the file name and the file location. Now we switch to Quicken. In Quicken, before importing a QFX file, click Quicken, Preferences, and Connected Services. And make sure to uncheck Automatically Improve Quality of Download Payee Names and Categories. This checkbox, when set, could change the payee names to something unrecognizable, not what you have on your QFX file. Before importing into specific account, make sure that account is not connected to online services. Edit the account first, and this account is connected to online services, financial institution, connection type. Make sure to disconnect. Click Setup, Options, enter transactions manually, continue, finish. Now we're ready to import a QFX file. Click File, Import, Bank or Brokerage File, and select Created QFX file. This is the file. This is the account ID from the file. This is the account type, check-in, or this one, check-in. And we can create new account, or we should link into existing account. Click Continue, and now transactions are imported. Thank you for watching.